The ingredients you'll need when making ratatouille are 5 Romano tomatoes, 1 red, orange, and yellow pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 yellow squash, 1 zucchini, 1 eggplant, and the seasoning of your choice, but I usually stick with thyme, parsley, and rosemary. Remember to wash your hands so that you don't mix germs in with your cooking. First, take the Romano tomatoes and slice the bottoms. When doing this, make sure not to cut too much of the flesh off the tomato, just cut the skins. Let a pot of water boil on the stove and then put the tomatoes into the boiling water. While the tomatoes are boiling, set aside a bowl of iced water. Once the tomato skins have started to burst, pull the tomatoes out of the water and stick them directly into the ice water. Once they have cooled, you can begin to peel the skins off that are now loose. The first step in creating the sauce is to roast or blacken the skins of the peppers. We put a pan under the stove and set the peppers on the pan to allow their skins to blacken, but another way is to use a grill or an open flame stove. Once the peppers have been blackened, cover them with tinfoil and let them cool under this foil. This just helps with separating the skin of the pepper from the flesh, making it easier to take off the skins. Once you have let them cool, you can pull off the skins of the pepper. It's much easier to do it than it sounds. Once they are completely peeled, you can put them straight into the blender, along with 1/4 of a white onion, 3 of the blanched Romano tomatoes, and 2 diced cloves of garlic, seasoned to your liking. Then, as you're blending together the other ingredients, stream in chicken broth. We would highly suggest tasting the sauce, as this is the main part of the dish, and you won't like it if you don't like the sauce. The easiest part is slicing the vegetables. Thinly slice the yellow squash, zucchini, eggplant, and the last 2 Romano tomatoes. Then set them aside for preparation. To prepare the ratatouille, cover the pan you're using with a thin layer of sauce on the bottom, making sure it's evenly distributed. Then begin to layer the veggies on top of one another. Once all the veggies are laid out, drizzle olive oil over the top and then sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and chopped rosemary on top. Then cover with a piece of parchment paper, cut to fit on top of your ratatouille. Then place the ratatouille in an oven at 255 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 90 minutes. There you have it. Now you have your very own ratatouille, just like Remy. I hope you enjoy and look forward to more videos from us.